There are many occasions when a quick ballpark figure will suffice. An exact calculation is not necessary. Sometimes you will be asked to estimate, and other times you will be asked to round. So, what is the difference between estimating and rounding? When you are asked to estimate, you are being asked to round prior to the calculation in order to make the calculation easier. You should be able to do all your work without a calculator or cumbersome computation. When you are asked to round, you should use the numbers given in the problem and round only after the calculation is complete. Example 9. You want to redo your living room floor. Hardwood costs $10.40 per square foot, and the carpet you like costs $28 per square yard. You need to decide right away whether you should be looking at hardwood or carpet for your floor. Use the fact that the cost of hardwood is about $10 per square foot to estimate the cost of a square yard of hardwood. Use your estimate to decide how the cost of hardwood compares with the cost of carpet. The problem asks us to use the fact that the cost of hardwood is about $10 per square foot. And because we are estimating, we will round $10.40 per square foot to $10 per square foot at the beginning of the problem. Also, notice that the cost of hardwood was given to us in square feet, while the cost of carpet was given to us in square yards. In order to compare apples to apples, we will need to convert the cost of hardwood to dollars per square yard or the cost of carpet to dollars per square foot. To do either of these conversions, we will need to recall that there are 9 square feet in a square yard. We calculated this equivalency in example 7. Now we can use dimensional analysis to do our conversion. Let's convert the cost of hardwood to dollars per square yard. We begin with the amount and the unit we have now. Remember, we're estimating, so let's use $10 per square foot instead of $10.40 per square foot. The unit in the denominator is square foot, but we want it to be square yards. We can multiply by a form of 1 to cancel out square feet and leave us with square yards in the denominator. Notice 9 square feet over 1 square yard is a form of 1 because the value in the numerator is equal to the value in the denominator. When we multiply the numerators, we get $90. When we multiply the denominators, we get 1 square yard. Notice that square feet canceled out since there was a square foot unit in the numerator as well as the denominator. Thus, the estimated cost of the hardwood is $90 per square yard. Since the carpet costs $28 per square yard, hardwood is more than 3 times as expensive as carpet. In summary, relative sizes of numbers are often indicated using magnitudes or powers of 10. For example, a city may have a population in hundreds of thousands, that is 10 to the 5th. And world population is measured in billions, 10 to the 9th. We can get a feeling for very large and very small numbers by putting them into more familiar context. For example, the national debt of $17.3 trillion means that every man, woman, and child in the United States owes about $54,600. One way to avoid complicated computations is to estimate by rounding the given numbers to make the arithmetic easier. Another method of estimation is to ignore features that complicate the calculation.